I'm starting by checking for a GCF for 10, 35, and 15. The largest number that will divide evenly into all three of those is 5. This one has 4 x's, 3 x's, and 2 x's, so the most I can take away from each is 2, since this one doesn't have more than 2 to give up. So 5x squared is my GCF, and I'm going to divide each of these by the 5x squared. So I have 10 divided by 5, 4 x's taking out 2, negative 35 divided by 5, 3 x's taking out 2, and then 15 divided by 5, 2 x's, but both of them came out, so no x's left. So now I'm going to deal with this quadratic in the parentheses, and I'm going to use the bottoms up method to factor it into 2 sets of parentheses. So I'm going to move the 2 to the end and multiply it with the 3. So now I have x squared minus 7x plus 6. Now I'm going to find factors that multiply to make 6, but at the same time they add up to negative 7. So the answers in these blanks have to be the same as the answers in these blanks and make both of these statements true. Since the 7 that they need to add up to is negative, I know that whatever I use up here to multiply together to make a positive 6 is going to have to be a negative times a negative. And in order to get them to add up to 7, my only choice is 1 and 6. Negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. Negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7. So I'm going to put this into 2 sets of parentheses. And I'm going to keep my 5x squared out here. And inside these parentheses, I know that negative 1 and negative 6 are the factors I'll use. My x squared is x times x. Now I just need to put my bottom number of 2 back. So I'm going to put the 2 under the 1 and the 2 under the 6. And then I'm going to see if they reduce. 1 over 2 does not reduce to a whole number, so I will put the 2 up top, and this part becomes 2x minus 1. 6 over 2 is the same thing as 3, and this is my answer.